In this tutorial, we're going to look at how you can create a PDF stock list of all your opens for the weekend. First of all, you'll go into the properties database. You'll then have a list of your listings if that's the default filter you have on, but to clear this, click the filter option and select clear. Over in the advanced find menu, we'll click the magnifying glass. We will use the advanced find called property open home within date range. We will select the date from, we have the Saturday, starting the opens, to the Sunday, and then choose apply filter. We can see that I have 3 properties open. You'll then be able to use the sort option to sort these properties for open time, new to old or old to new. Now that you have them in the correct sort order, you'll then be able to hit the select all, use the actions button to create a stock list. We then give this a heading and we choose the default public stock list. You'll then choose the button at the bottom called generate and download stock list. This will then create a PDF of your properties that are open for the weekend that you can print and hand out to buyers.